How to use split screen on Android tablet. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're using Android tablets such as Xiaomi Pad 7, Lenovo, or Samsung, here's how you can easily use the split screen option. First of all, go ahead and open up any app you want to use. For example, I'm just going to open up this app. Now, I have an app opened up. Now swipe up from the bottom of your app and this will open the recent app screen. Go ahead and tap open another app, and now currently you have two different apps opened up at once. To enable split screen, press and hold on the app, just one of the app, just press hold on it for a few seconds, and in the pop-up click on this option over here, and this will enable the split screen. Now the screen will split into two parts. On the other half of the screen, select the second app you want to use, and you have opened up two different apps at once. You can drag the divider in the middle to make one app bigger and the other smaller, depending on what you need. If you want to leave or quit the split screen mode, simply drag the divider all the way up or down, and you have opened up only one app at once. So there you have it. Split screen works best with apps like YouTube, Chrome, Notes, and messaging apps. Some apps may not support it, so if one doesn't work, just try another one. And that's it. Now you're ready to multitask smoothly, watch videos, chat, and browse at the same time like a pro. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.